Have you ever wondered what 14.5 million Kenya shillings could do for you in this Kenyan economy? Well, I'm standing on this outstanding and stunning modern 3-bedroom plus SQ villa for sale in Ruiru, Mogodha, in a very serene environment of Ruiru. And today, I take you on a tour to show you the worth of this home. Come with me. Wow, I love this art wall, and this kitchen hanging lighting is giving modern vibes. Beautiful. Wow, I love the placement of this wardrobe area, and I also love the fact that we already have a dressing mirror already put here, and this place is very spacious. It goes all the way, and the placement of the window versus the dressing mirror complements, because now I don't really need lighting to be able to use this mirror. This extra storage spaces also gives me more space for my things as a lady, you know. So when I mentioned this house is modern, let me show you. You see, not many houses come with this bidet already included. So guys, other than the beauty and the modern aspect of this beautiful home, it's very functional. And these stairs where I'm standing on leads us to the rooftop, where we have the extra bedroom I was telling you about. You can use this extra room as a guest room or a DSQ, and you can also do your hosting on top there. And just to mention, below me under this staircase, we have an outside washroom and a wash area just around there. This beautiful home in Ruiru is ready for immediate occupation, and it stands on a 40 by 80 plot of land. To make this home yours, call 0708 300 718. See you on the next one.